Alright, hey, John's going to try and disassemble a Mosin bolt for the first time. He just took apart the connector rod in the bolt head, but now it's the first day. Alright, ready, John? Do what I showed you before. Just pull it back and twist it.
I did it before by accident.
Oh, by accident.
Yeah, we'll just mess around and it came apart.
Just like that, see? Pull it back, twist it.
This?
Yeah, just pull that piece back. And try putting the hand the other way. There you go. Well, the bolt head came off at least. He did it half right, and he's only 12, and it's his first time, so I forgive him. What the hell fuck did you do there? Alright, that's done. There's like a ton of videos on YouTube that show you how to do this, so don't expect this to be like a detailed thing or anything. Now that you have that done, you're going to get a piece of wood, a scrap piece of wood, and just push it down. Turn it counterclockwise.
I want to move it that way.
There's my piece. I'll do it for John since you really need like upper body strength for this part, so. I don't know why I'm not doing this on my workbench, but there you go, that's disassembled 5 main ports. Now I'm going to stop the video here.
Starting over.
Alright, ready? Alright, John, what's this called?
The bolt body.
Okay, good job. This one.
Connecting piece. This is the cocking piece.
Good job.
This is the bolt head, fine pin, and spring.
Alright, excellent. Good job, buddy. Now assembly. This is pretty much the easier part. Just get the spring, put it in there. I'm going to steal that since that's the original one. Not too hard. Again, this is not a detailed video because there's like a million YouTube videos on there that cover this in detail, so. See, just put the spring on.
Okay.
Got that. Push it down. It's another good tip to line it up right. That's why that's another reason why this is, you know, like that. So you could help line yourself up. Okay, actually, and I forgot a tool, so I'm going to pause it right here.
Okay.
Now, thanks to editing magic. Oh, that didn't take too long. Oh. This is a little long, so. Now let's check this out. This is a boring part, you know, just gauging it. What do you gauge it for again, John?
Make sure it doesn't explode or doesn't jam, I think.
Close enough. Not too long again. Alright. Okay, and we're done. Now, that's just John's first time ordered on camera for future generations and John's grandchildren. So, John, how did you like your first time?
It's pretty cool, like limited guns, especially old guns.
What's that? I couldn't hear you.
I like limited guns, especially old guns.
Alright, that's it. I just wanted him to get his first time. Alright.